Hello again, my name is Jason Perkins, and I want to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law, and I created this series to provide people who've been hurt at work with information about the rules of Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to them under it. Today I want to talk to you about how you can get workers' compensation medical treatment approved. Now, most people would think that this isn't a problem, but if you've been involved in a workers' compensation case or an attorney that represents people who've been hurt at work, you know that this happens a lot. Your doctor, your workers' compensation doctor recommends treatment for your injury. The insurance company doesn't necessarily approve that treatment. It may be physical therapy, an MRI, some medication, injections, or surgery. And unfortunately, when the insurance company doesn't give the doctor approval for that treatment, then the treatment is probably not going to happen because the doctor's office wants to know that they're going to get paid when they perform that treatment. So unless you're going to pay the doctor directly, the doctor's going to want to know from the workers' compensation insurance company the treatment's been approved. So how do you get treatment approved when the insurance company is not approving it? Well, there's a few different ways that you potentially go about doing that. One is by contacting the insurance company, speaking with your adjuster or case manager, and trying to get them to agree to contact the doctor's office and approve the treatment that you need. A second way is by filing what's called a Form WC-PMT. That form is a form that can be used to either request that the insurance company either approve or deny the treatment that's been recommended by your doctor, or if they don't do either, a phone call be set up with a workers' compensation judge where they can explain to the judge why they're not approving or denying the treatment. So that can be a helpful method either for you or your attorney to use in moving forward and getting treatment approved. Another way is a form that can be used by your doctor's offices, which is called the Form WC-205. Form WC-205 is a form your doctor's office can file with the insurance company and request the insurance company to approve the treatment. The insurance company is given a certain number of days, 5 business days, to respond to that form and either approve the treatment or deny it. So that's an additional way that you can move forward with getting treatment approved if your doctor is willing to send that Form WC-205. A final way is by either filing a motion to get treatment approved or by requesting a hearing to get treatment approved. If you proceed with either of these ways, then a workers' compensation judge will make a decision about your medical treatment and whether the insurance company should pay for it. If you go the motion route, that's either you or attorney will file a motion, the insurance company gets a chance to object, and a judge will make a decision. If you go the route of requesting a hearing, there'll be a hearing scheduled in front of a workers' compensation judge where you or your attorney will have an opportunity to present evidence that basically explains why your treatment should be approved and attempt to prove that to a judge. And the insurance company is also going to have an opportunity to present evidence as well as to why your treatment should not be approved. And then the judge will make a decision at the end of that hearing. I hope you found this information about how you can get your medical treatment approved helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is either by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you want more information about workers' compensation, I'd encourage you to view our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel, where you can view all the videos from our Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. There's over 100 of them currently available, and I regularly put out new videos. And you can also subscribe to that channel if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you have a specific question or questions about your workers' compensation case, I think the best way to get answers to those questions is through a free consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me, I'd be happy to do that. There's 2 easy ways you can get that free consultation scheduled. You can either call the phone number at the bottom of the screen, or you can visit our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. There's a free consultation request form available there. If you complete it and submit it, someone from my office will contact you and get that consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.